Hi everybody, Debra Dickinson here. Thank you for being on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that bell below and click all so that you get all my notifications. And today you may be wondering what I'm doing with this mop in my hand, and it's a big old long pole. Well, this is what I use to dust off my solar panels on my roof, but it also has a mop attachment. Today I am just dusting off Phoenyx. I almost said Freebird, but I am dusting off Phoenyx. So I'm going to take a handle off, shorten it up, and show you what I'm doing. Okay, I am out here in the fabulous Alabama hills when I'm filming this for you guys. But I came from my home base, which I now call my docking station, because it's not really my home base. It really is truly that. It's a docking station when I need it. And while I was there, my friends helped me spit, shine, wax, and polish Phoenyx, and she just looks fabulous. And so I have these tools, and every time I land now, I dust her off, and she will get a good bath as needed. But you would not believe what all they did for me. I treated them to a weekend at my docking station, and then I treated everybody to dinner that night. But there were 5 of us. It was me, Tim, Untethered, Stanley, Gray, and Joan. And Gray, Joan, and I joke that between the 3 of us, we made up one person. So we say that 3 people worked all day, and that's no joke, people. We did. I'm like, people. I'm so excited to tell you this news. So there were 3 of us, 3 full people, even though there were 5 of us. And we took 9 hours. So that's 27 man-hours of labor to get this rig deep cleansed. We took it down we used soft scrub, and took it down, got all of the dirt and grime out of it, and then we waxed and polished her, and she just looks so beautiful, and I am so grateful to them for helping me. And then I felt so bad, you guys. We didn't have enough product, and so Joan got in her truck and ran back in 40 miles to the nearest Home Depot and got what we needed and came back out. So I could not have done this by myself. At 27 labor hours, it would take me 3 weeks to get that done, and they helped me do it in 1 weekend. And she's just beautiful, and I'm so grateful, and she is road ready, gorgeous inside and out now. And I've got lots of projects coming up that I'm going to be sharing with you. I'm going to be sewing, I'm going to be painting, I'm going to be doing all kinds of things so that now the inside matches the beauty of her outside. Check it out. Filming it? Yes. So I'm sure you saw in the videos of us having fun and working on Phoenyx that we used Zap's floor polish, and yes, we did. I know that a lot of people are going to say I don't recommend that, but you have to remember Phoenyx is a 1984. She is almost 40 years old. I wasn't trying to restore her back to her original state. She was at the point where if you touched her, you had chalk all over your hand. So all of that had to come off, and then we found a way to protect her. And I know that Zaps doesn't have any UV protection, but my hope and my goal is that as my channel grows and as my Patreon accounts grow and as I write more books, that I will have enough income to be able to get her painted one day. And you might think, why would you put all of that time, energy, cost, labor and into a 1984 rig? Well, I plan on keeping her. I am in my 60s, and this I hope is my last rig. If her engine goes out, after all that I've put into it and after all the support that and love and support that I've received from everybody, I plan on replacing the engine and just keeping her on the road for as long as I can. So one day I will have her professionally painted, but right now, no more chalk, and she is beautiful and shiny. Thank you, Tim and Stanley and Joan and Gray. Oh, and Robert replaced some wiring on the solar that had been glued on with Eternabond. Don't put Eternabond on your rigs, people, unless it's going to be on top and going to be eternal, because that's why it's called Eternabond. So he did it right and put it in a conduit, and she just looks gorgeous, and I'm so grateful. And we'll see you down the road, everybody. Keep on keeping on. And like I said, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed this, please share. Bye!